I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and obviously this phone has two displays. We have this main display and the cover screen on the other side. Now I'll be showing you how to continue apps on the cover screen. So you can start using an app, and when you fold your phone, then you can continue using that app on the cover screen. So to do that, just go ahead and open settings. Under settings, scroll down to display, tap on that, and then under display, scroll down to continue apps on cover screen. So if you tap on that, you can actually enable that for all the apps. So if you tap on that, that enables that for all the applications, or you can enable it for specific apps. So let's say, for instance, you want to make it available for the phone app so that you can make a call and then fold and continue. So let's enable that. Okay. So by default, whenever you're in an app and you cover the screen, it goes to the home screen of the cover screen. But now that we've enabled the phone app, let's try and use it. So I'm just gonna open up the phone app. And now when I cover the screen, it continues with that particular application that I enabled. Okay. So I could even be in a call like this, and whenever I close, I can just continue with that specific application, and I can do this for literally any app. Okay, so let's try another one. Let me go back to that setting page and let me enable the Google Play Store. Okay, so Google Play Store is open. I'm here inside this game, and I close the screen, and the app should continue on this other side, but for some reason it didn't. Let's see why. Oh, because it opened the multitasking window. So let's try again. Close the app, and you can see it continues exactly where I was. So that is basically how to continue apps on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thank you for watching, and good luck.